Want to know the secrets of scoring the perfect grades? Then stick around and find out. Being a topper is not an impossible task. It just needs dedication and proper planning. The first secret is creating a suitable study area. Set up your study table or room with minimum distractions and noise around it. Try to sit in a bright area where you can concentrate well. Secondly, spend some time identifying the topics in which you have doubts or trouble understanding. The third and perhaps most helpful secret is to create a personalized timetable based on the previous secret. This schedule must be detailed and include every subject. Write down specifically what you will cover each day and stick to it. You can give more time to the topics you have more doubts in. Don't forget to leave some free time at the end of each week in case you need it to relax or revise some missed out topics. Next, always write your own notes. Since each student is unique, so is your way of remembering information. Writing notes will ensure that you actually understand what you are learning, instead of just cramming. Notes are also a great way to easily revise important points and definitions. Our final secret is for you to make enough time to eat well and get good rest. Not maintaining a good diet and pulling all-nighters is very unhealthy in the long run. It leaves you feeling unfresh and distracted all day. In conclusion, creating an all-inclusive life routine is the way to be a topper. Noon hopes that you will use these secrets to reach your highest potential. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with your friends. Join our 100% free learning community on the Noon app. Download now.